Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showcasing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to scrap TikTok accounts using Octoparse. In this step-by-step tutorial guide, I will let you know how you can scrap the accounts following followers, their total likes, their account handle, and also all of the videos that you can see on the screen. You can get their link, their total views, so stuff like that. Now, before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I've been doing web scraping, data automation, and data related work for the past 5 years and worked for over 500 plus projects and clients worldwide. So if you want to hire me on or want to work with me, you can contact on my email that is shown on your screen. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing that you will need to do is identify what kind of accounts you need to scrap, right? So for in this example, you can see I have chosen this account. So you can see we have got the unique URL, right? So the thing that we will do is copy that URL, go to our Octopath screen. So on your Octopath screen now you can see the dashboard and everything. So the next thing that you will do is click on new, click on custom task. Once that is done, then we will paste in our URL that we copied from Chrome and we'll click on save. Now you will see that in a few minutes the account will load up here. Okay, so you're seeing we have got the account loaded here on our Octopus screen. The next thing that we will do is we will create a loop item. So for loop item, what this will do, it will automatically grab all of the listings for us, the URLs and everything for the videos. So the thing that we'll do is click on auto detect web page data. So we will click here, right? Auto detect web page data. Now you will see it will automatically detect all of the listings, videos and everything, and it will give us the set of columns. So on your bottom side you can see the columns that has created, got the image, also the video URL, and you can see the total video count. Now we will tick this add page scrolls and also will create on workflow. Once that is done, we will name this as video URL and let it remain as video count. The next thing that we will do is we will get the account handle. So we'll name this as account handle, right? And also their following, so their total following, their followers, and also their total likes. So following, followers, and likes. So once that is done, you can also grab the bio if you want to. So I'll also get the bio. Once that is also done, the next thing we will do is we'll check how many pages it is scrolling. So it's like going repeating 3 times. So it will go 3 times to scroll down and grab the data for us. Now this depends on the total amount of videos that are posted on that TikTok account. But I will also increase that to 10 for this instance and click on apply and save. And then next time I'll do check is that loop item. So you can let it remain at 2 seconds. Then we will check here. Okay, I think all of this is now set. Now we will run the script. So how to run the board, we click on run, and then you will see we'll click on standard mode local. Now here I will fast forward this video so you can see the listings will get automatically scrap all of the videos, and then I'll show you guys the end results. So as you can see guys, we have got the results. I've actually stopped the bot at a few listings, and you can see the results on your screen in the Excel sheet, on the Excel sheet. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these web scraping tutorials, and thank you for watching.